so today what we're doing is harvesting potatoes. We already did one with Auntie Ann. That was just so we can see what it looks like on the inside of these pots. Now we're gonna get some strong children to go to those 2 pots.
Which one?
These 2.
Me.
So we need somebody to move these small things kind of on the side. See that hole right there? Let's slide everything over that way. Just slide, slide, slide. Control, get in there, put your hands on something for Control. Now go ahead on and slide those pots. We're gonna slide them straight through here.
Like them right here?
No, the potatoes.
These?
The 2 potatoes.
These?
Yeah. Slide them straight through. Watch it, Zion.
Potatoes. What we gonna do with the potatoes? Excuse me, Shy.
We're gonna harvest the potatoes.
Yay!
Okay. Grab them and throw them up in the pot. Don't run over.
I'm trying not to grab the potato.
No, I'm talking about the worms. Alright. Now we can bring them. Good job, Trevor. Don't strain. Let me do that. Alright. You want to pick them up and put them up in that pot right there? Can you do that? Can you do it? Who can do it? Who can do it? Who can do it?
Me. I hate
In this pot right here.
Which one? This scarlet.
Get it. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Put it right there. This pot right here, Lee. Good job. Good job.
Now you gotta safe home, Mr. Worm.
Alright, good job. They got a little small baby one down there, but that's okay. Alright, who's gonna dump the pots? Who's gonna be first?
Me.
There's 2 of them, so let's do that.
I wanna do it.
Come on, let's dump. Help together. Together. Together.
Y'all put it up for me.
Fiona say y'all can do it for her. Oh, good job, sir. Then pull that top off. What y'all think we got up in here? Think we got a lot of
potatoes.
Good old potatoes. Still got their church clothes on.
It's Mother's Day today. I gotta sit down.
Uh-oh.
Gotta eat my own. Look, y'all. Look, we found potatoes.
Y'all found some?
Okay.
All right. Now the potatoes from yours, Princess, let's put them up in this pot.
Wow.
Yeah. From y'all potatoes, let's put them in that pot.
We're gonna put them in the pot.
Fiona, y'all put it up in here. And Kentrell and Shy is gonna put theirs up in that one. Let's see what we can find. Not the dirt, Kentrell, just the potato. So this one got a lot of
Who doing that stuff? Zion, stop.
a lot of white potatoes in this one. I thought there'd be some red potatoes. Potatoes?
A lot of potatoes. No.
So this variety seems to be what I was talking to you about, the different varieties. I don't see any potatoes growing on the stem. Everything grew at the bottom. So this may be what they call the determinate sun. I see you, okay? All right, they saw you. So they see you as far as these are, should be what they call determinate potatoes.
No more potatoes.
That's all we got?
No,
So-
we had some baby ones.
These are all, what they call these Yukon Golds? Maybe? I thought I had planted some fingerlings. So we come in to do the last pass, the grown-up pass. And they did a good job. I don't see anything else in there. Let me come. Oh!
Potato!
Put
Wait, what is
purple
this?
potatoes. Oh, up in the, yeah, well, it don't matter where those go, because we,
Daddy,
so these look like,
look, I found one.
all right.
Wait.
Oh, there they go.
I got it. Papa potato. Papa
Yep.
potato. Oh, you put that on my head.
Oh, that's a good one. Wow, that's the biggest one they got. They didn't have that many. You mad? You mad? Look, sister, give me one. A big one. I don't know. Was that the seed potato or what? I don't think so.
I want more potato.
They got some more potatoes. So let's go with Mama and go to the compost, and we'll check out. See, can we pull anything from the compost?
They gone.
See some?
Yeah.
Let me get around here. Now it's hard pulling these because we know we got other things in there, but what else are you pulling up though? Ooh, wow. These are even better than
what we got in the pot.
What we got in the pots. Look at that.
They got a lot in there.
Now we know by pulling these we are disturbing some other stuff. But look how big this tomato plant is over here. Oops, I just broke it. Sorry. Ooh, I see something else right there. Look at that.
These are the little small little.
Those small ones are gonna grow. Alright.
The small ones.
Alright. So good enough. Look like I see another one right here. You wanna come on this side and pull this one?
Yeah.
They say this the worst
Thing to eat.
Thing to eat.
Poison.
Yeah. Green potatoes been sitting out on top of the. How did that even get out here? A potato that looked that good. It looked like we would have ate that one. But we can pull this up though. Oh, you gonna wait? We can wait till it dies back. You see anything else?
This one?
This one. Go ahead and pull on that one. Another one that you gotta get in there to get, huh? What do you think? All of them is up under the ground? Little compost picking.
They got small ones. I don't see nothing.
Should have been down up in there.
Can I just pull this out and throw?
Should have your gloves on, but it's supposed to be a like poison oak or something, I think.
Some moringa. Nothing in there. I don't see anything. No more. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's over there. And we don't want to disturb it too much. We got other roots and stuff in there. Let's go over here and see what we got today. What we got today and what we'll cook tomorrow. So, got a good bit of purple potatoes. We're gonna eat those. Some good purple and some yellow squash.
Squash, potato.
I said and some yellow squash. Oh. The ones that we picked already. Oh, that girl always gotta tell me something. Alright, so we'll have something to eat. At least this week. And we'll be on to the next thing. We're gonna get some more potatoes. They only got one more bucket and we're gonna save that bucket for another week, okay? Alright, so say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching our video!
Little blueberry seed.